This isn't just about getting you to leave with stuff that you can use in your portfolio, it's about giving you the skills that you can use to make more work, to make better work, to put in your portfolio. We just want to give them a leg up so that they can get that scholarship or get accepted or whatever it is they might want. Pre-College Portfolio is a summer art program taught every summer by College of Art and Design faculty. It's 2 weeks, Monday through Friday, so it's basically just making drawings for their portfolios to apply to college art programs.
My plan for high school originally was to major in medical illustration, and RIT had a really good program for that from when I was researching, and they coincidentally had this workshop. And I've never done traditional stuff before, and I know I need some of that, so I knew this would be really helpful.
Having the faculty help me out constantly throughout the day has greatly helped me. Just having so many different opinions from multiple professors has helped me so much, and I got a broad variety of critique.
We start with still lifes, and then just kind of build it up like simple still lifes into a complex still life, and then we have them do a skull. We bring in a clothed model and have them do gestures, because that's not something we see a lot of in portfolios. And that kind of translates to everything, really. And we always end it with a large self-portrait. So there's a real rigorous sort of approach to it, and we're trying to give them the same thing that we give like a Drawing One student when they get to RIT. And we held them to that expectation. It's a shortened version of a first-year college experience.
All the materials that we've used throughout this 2 weeks, I haven't really used them in high school. I feel like that really made me more comfortable exercising different materials and being comfortable using materials I've never used.
I loved the social aspect of it. It was good having other people around me, like my friend Cora, who's literally right next to me. I would back up and I'd ask her, hey, can you just come take a look at this? She'd find something, and whatever she suggested, it actually helped me.
I walk around probably 10 times a day just to see what everybody else is doing, and it really gives me inspiration and helps me bounce ideas off myself, seeing what everybody else is doing and gaining, oh, I can add a highlight here because someone else is excelling in that. And I definitely feel like having Sadie here with me has helped me, because we're neighbors, and I'll just back up and I'll be like, could you maybe take a look at this hand and see if there's anything missing? It has greatly improved my art.
I'll go around and have little one-on-ones with them, look at their drawing and demo on their drawing. I've been doing this for 20 plus years, so you can see somebody's skill level or the potential that they possess in the drawings that they're making. And it really just boils down to them being able to wrestle with that and pull it out of themselves. It's practice, like anything else. But giving them that guidance and that little bit of encouragement and those little pointers here and there can make a world of difference.
If you have the means to do something like this, especially in this kind of environment, definitely do it. Because I literally came from zero experience with any of this, and look what I did. I'm proud of myself of what I produced just from 2 weeks of learning. It's definitely worth it, 100%.